What's up, Best Side? I just wanted to share this quick video for how to work the performance bonus tracker. I made it as simple as I can so you guys don't have to do a whole lot. Lathe really wants this to be able to track where we are, since reporting from T-Mobile can be delayed sometimes. So we'll continue to build this out, but right now the main focus is BTS and TFB. So if you look at this, this is kind of the main page. It just goes BTS by location. It'll order the locations by payout, and BTS TFB, and then it kind of gives you a breakdown by district. And then as you look at the bottom, you have the tabs for each district. And really what you need to do is just share the link with your RSMs. And the only thing that they have to do is just fill in their actual number. Once they fill in their actual number, everything in the data will auto-populate and will update on the main page and on your page. So each one of these, so need for 75% actual and so on, just kind of tells you exactly what you need in actual numbers to be at 75% actual, to be at 100%, to be at 125%. This kind of shows you the trend, obviously, kind of what it says, and then the performance bonus payout for BTS and TFB. And like I said, everything auto-populates, including your budgets. So every month I'll go in and upload the budgets, so they will auto-populate. They don't need to fill in anything else. They don't need to do any formulas. All they have to do is update their actual numbers on a daily basis. So this should be something that we build around in the morning. They come in, they put in their BTS, their TFB, and their accessories. Obviously, we know accessories will be a performance bonus. So once that happens, this will have a place on the first page as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call. But it should be pretty straightforward. The link that I'm going to share with you guys in WhatsApp, just share it with your team and have them start loading the data. Thanks, team. Let's get it.